Now that we've created our agent, let's talk about how to train it. The secret is making your instructions and tools work together. Think of instructions as a one-pager you'd hand a new employee on their first day. It's the brain of the operation. This is where you put in things like what the initial greeting should be, what your prices are, and what your hours are. Basically, everything an agent needs to know on a high level. If you need to clean these up, just hit this orange magic instructions button. It uses AI to instantly rewrite your notes into a professional format based on your business info. But remember, instructions only tell the agent what to do. To actually take action, you need to add the right tools from the library. As you can see, there's a wide range of tools available that can handle almost anything, from managing your CRM and scheduling with Google or Outlook to connecting with thousands of other apps. Whether you need to send an email, a text, or trigger a custom webhook, there's a tool for it. For example, if we have a transfer instruction on our one-pager, we need a transfer tool to actually make that happen. So let's add that tool now. We'll put in Frank's name and phone number here so the agent knows exactly where to send the call when a customer asks for him. Now let's think of a scenario where a caller asks for directions to the shop. Let's add an instruction like, if they ask for directions, text them our website link. Then we just add the send text message to caller tool to match. The instruction gives the agent the goal, and the tool gives it the power to actually send that text. When you team up clear instructions with the right tools, your agent becomes a helpful member of your staff that can handle tasks from start to finish. In the next video, we'll show you how to test your agent to make sure it's perfect before you go live.